Daddy told me on his dying bed, give up your heart, but don't you lose your head. You came along and what did I do? Oh, I lost my heart and my head went too. Oh, I'm wild. But my love for you is so doggone strong. I'm like the Mississippi River, I roll on, I roll on. Loving you was a doggone crime. I be sitting in jail doing a flat 99. 'Cause I'm crazy. I can't stand my baby. I met a little girl down by the shack not far from New Orleans. Swaying little girl, the cutest little thing, the toughest thing that I ever seen. Brothers, sisters, took the dogs on me. They tore off all of my clothes. Shoulda hurt me back and then yell and say, baby, some more. Wait a minute. Lord, I ain't gonna do it no more. Some like the wing, some like the breast, some like the leg. Oh, you gotta save me the head. Yeah, that time I'm a head man. Ow. Can you see me, baby? I don't want you to be no slave. I don't want you, Lord, Lord, to work all day. I don't want you 'cause I'm sad and blue. I just want to make love to you, love you. I don't want you to watch my bed. I don't want you, Lord, Lord, to make my bed. I don't want you 'cause I'm sad and blue. I just want to make love to you, love.